Welcome to week 4. This week in the discussion, you are going to be creating a scenario, a coding scenario. Make sure it's between 150 to 50 words. What I would encourage you to do is make sure that you do know the answer to your own scenario and respond to students. I would try to post this as early as you can, at least by Wednesday, to give yourself and your peers time to answer your coding scenario. Week 4 review is just fill in the blank questions, as well as just fill in the blank. The one thing I will say on this is make sure you use the punctuation correctly, and you have all of your characters. So if the code requires a 4th or 5th character, you should have 4 or 5 characters to it. This week, the copy of the job aid final copy is due, and that's the coding conventions instructional notes. So that is due. As long as you turned it in on time, you should have already gotten feedback for that. And then the last thing that is due this week is a quiz, and it's a list of matching and multiple choice questions. Just remember that when you are taking a quiz or a review, you can stop in the middle of it. So if you're rushed or you feel like something interrupted you, you can always stop it, and then come back to it. Or if you have a question, you can always email me. We are going to have our live session. This week it will be in the morning, and next week it will be in the evening again. I will be posting some information on our live session, so stay tuned for that. Otherwise, have a great week 4.